Scientists can estimate the age of ancient fossils by measuring how much carbon-14 is still inside them. Carbon-14 slowly decays over time, so the amount remaining acts like a natural clock. Here's the problem. Carbon-14 has a half-life of 5,730 years, and a fossil has only 25% of its original carbon-14 remaining. How old is the fossil? First, understand the idea of half-life. A half-life is the amount of time it takes for half of a substance to decay. So carbon-14 follows this pattern. Start with 100%. After 5,730 years, 50% remains. After another 5,730 years, half of 50% remains, which is 25%. That's the key insight. 25% means the material has been cut in half twice. You can already solve the problem from that observation alone. 2 half-lives have passed, and each half-life is 5,730 years. So the age is 2 times 5,730, which equals 11,460 years. Now let's connect that to the exponential decay formula scientists use. A equals a sub 0 times 1/2 raised to the t over n power. A is the amount remaining now. A sub 0 is the original amount. T is the elapsed time, and n is the half-life. Since 25% remains, a over a sub 0 equals 0.25. Substitute into the formula. 0.25 equals 1/2 raised to the t over 5,730 power. Notice that 0.25 is the same as 1/4, which is also 1/2 squared. So 1/2 raised to the t over 5,730 equals 1/2 squared. The bases match, so the exponents must match. T over 5,730 equals 2. Multiply both sides by 5,730. T equals 11,460 years. So the fossil is approximately 11,460 years old, meaning 2 full half-lives of carbon-14 have passed.